Hello everyone. Okay, I want to show you how you can attach your payment details to your AudioMack account. So I'll be very fast. So what all you have to do from the start is that you just click on this button up here and then go to your profile, or you just go to creator dashboard. Let's click on payment. So what you just have to do is that you have to put in all the login details here. Now everything that you're told to put in, you have to put them in: the phone number, the first name, the middle name, the last name, the address, the city, the zip code, the country, date of birth, country of birth, and then you click on next. So you click on next and go to the payment method. So when you go to the payment method, it's still another page. It shows you which bank are you using, if it's US dollar or naira. Most times most of them appear as US dollar, so you have to click on US dollar. The name of account, you fill it, the account number, the phone number, Swift. What the meaning of Swift is that what you do is that just go to Google Chrome or Google, just go and type the bank you are using. For instance, now I use GT Bank, so I type GT Bank Swift. So you check the Swift, put it there, then the bank name, Guaranteed Trust Bank, the bank address, it should be there. Bank, bank, most banks, they might have two addresses, so you can either put two, it's optional. So then the zip code should be there. If you check online for the zip code of your bank, it's also online. Then you put your country, so it's very simple. Then you enter to the next form, which is tax form. So when you get to tax form, what you are seeing here, I've already filled my form already. That's why it's like this. So you see tax form, they will tell you to choose the form. So what you're going to choose is W8BEN. So when you choose W8BEN on file, when you choose that form, what you just have to do is that you just keep following the process through, because there's a file. So the form is that there's a part they will tell you to sign. So the signature, you put your full name. For instance, now you are bearing John Eze, so you just put John Eze as your signature. That's your name. So you just fill the form all through the process, all through. So it's just a normal tax form that you fill online, and you put your tax number there also, and then that's the end. Then you click on done. So then you can withdraw any amount you want to withdraw, you understand? So this is my account, so that I have on AudioMack. So you can actually withdraw anytime, any day. Thank you.